Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on HonorMagic V6. Okay, we have a few ways how we can create a backup, and let me show you all methods. First, open up the settings, then keep scrolling down until you find System and Updates. Then go to Backup and Restore, and in here, let's go with the data backup above. Click on that, and in here we have two ways: external storage or the HonorSuit. When it comes to the HonorSuit, I'll leave it as a last method. Let's begin with the external storage. Now, we gotta insert a memory card or the USB storage. It's up to you, or you can use the shared folders if you're interested. I'm using the adapter for the SD card, so let me insert it. Now it should appear in here as USB storage. Yep, here it is. We gotta tap on that, and then click on Backup. From the list, select the things that you want to copy. I'll leave it just like it is now, and then click on Backup. Now we gotta create a security password, and it must be from 8 to 32 characters long and contain a mix of digits, uppercase letters and lowercase letters. I'm about to create a really easy one just for this video. And then click on Next. Now you can set the password hint. I will just enter the dot, click on Done, and the process has automatically started. Now we just gotta wait until it's finished. In my case, it won't take long because I didn't select much things. As you can see, we are already on the level of 99%. So within a few seconds, yeah, the backup will be completed. Then click on Done, and now it's stored on our USB storage. Now we can take it out. Okay, I'll place it next to me, and let's go straight with other methods. Now, maybe let's go with the Google backup, which is available right in here, and we gotta enable backup to Google. Okay, of course, you need to be signed in to a Google account. And you cannot forget on which Google account you are creating this backup. Because, for example, if you want to restore the backup later in the future, you'll need to sign in into the exact same Google account. So I'm about to select this one, click on Turn On, and now click on Google account. When it comes to the backup details, everything needs to be enabled. In my case, I gotta turn on the photos and videos. Click on Let's Go. Now go back, click on Add Device Data, and you also need to have some free storage space, so maybe I'll switch the account. Yeah, in here we have more. If you don't have enough storage space, you might have to click on Clean Up Space or Get Storage to make some space. Okay, when it comes to the device data and the app data, you can select which apps will be backed. And if everything is enabled, all you gotta do is to click on Backup now. If you have your screen lock, you also gotta use it to confirm. And now the process will begin. In here, a small circle will appear. Here it is. And it's going to slowly fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. If everything goes fine, we will also see a notification on the bottom of the screen that our data has been backed. But currently, we gotta keep waiting until it's done. Okay, I'm about to speed it up a little bit, and I'll see you once it's done. Okay, the backup has been created. We can see it on the other device data that it has been created 0 minutes ago, so it's a confirmation that everything has worked. That was the second method, and now let's go with the HonorSuit. So let me pause the video and I'll see you on my desktop. Okay, when it comes to the HonorSuit, we gotta download this app from the browser on your computer, of course. Simply in the browser type HonorSuit and then visit the Honor page. Select your system. I'm using Windows, so select Windows. And it will be downloaded. Then open up the downloads folder, and in here we have our HonorSuit. We gotta extract this file. Right click, I'm using WinRAR, and extract to. If you're using a different program, of course you can use it, or you can click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work. Then open up the folder, click on software, and install the app. Select that you agree, and then click on install. Okay, and then click on start. Okay, it has appeared. Let me close the browser. And now on our phone, we need to do a few things. First, we gotta turn on the developer options. To do it, go to About Phone, and in here you have the build number. You gotta tap on it 7 times in a row, and then go back, System and Updates, developer options, they will appear right in here. Then keep scrolling down, and you gotta enable the USB debugging. That's the necessary thing. Now we can connect our phone to our computer using the USB-C cable. I highly recommend to use the original cable. If you don't have it, of course you can use a different good quality USB-C cable that supports sending the data. Now we gotta select USB to transfer files / Android Auto, and then if you have a screen lock, you also gotta confirm. If it doesn't appear automatically, you can scroll and then go to File Transfer via USB and select Transfer Files. Okay. Once we have it, our USB debugging is turned off, so let's click on OK once again. Now the HonorSuit should see our device. Yeah, it says that the HonorSuit will be installed on our device. Click on OK. In my case, it's in Polish, so I will translate everything for you. In here on your phone, click on More Details and click on Install Anyway and confirm if you have the screen lock. Select Agree, click on Allow, 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 and now type this code in the app. And then click on Connect. Okay, as you can see, our device has appeared. And now, to create a backup, click on Copy. And from here you can select what things you want to copy. We have recordings, photos, music, videos, apps, and the settings. In my case, I will do everything except the apps, so it won't take that long. And then click on Copy. Or actually, I will also unselect the settings. Then click on Copy, and now we need to we need to add the password. And we need to create it, and it must contain from 8 to 32 characters long, contain numbers, uppercase letters, and lowercase letters. So create your password. In my case, I'm about to create a really easy one. type the password, then retype it, and in here you need to add the password hint. I'll just do the dot. Click on OK, and the process has started. We gotta wait until it's finished. In my case, it didn't take long. In your case, if you are copying a lot of things, it may take longer. Then click on Ready, and now our backup has been successfully created and it's stored in the HonorSuit app. We can now close it, we can unplug the cable, and everything now has been successfully copied. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.